Watch out. I'd criticize if there was something to criticize. By now.
Trying to escape? Bad idea.
Things just got complicated.
Let's kick things off tonight.
I knew that was over too soon.
I
Why
found
can you work on the gas?
eyes on their vehicle.
Seriously impressive.
This fool just doesn't know when to give up.
What can I say? Amazing.
I got zero visual of the suspect.
We're back.
I can confirm visual of the car and driver.
Next time we're getting you a damn blindfold. Okay, that didn't look like that tested you at all. But I think I got something lined up that will.
Looks like so.